Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Optimic English. Viewer, the central government faces a high-stakes legislative showdown as it prepares to introduce the Constitution 131 Amendment Bill 2026 during a three-day special session of Parliament starting today, Thursday. The bill, which proposes to expand the Lok Sabha from 550 to 850 seats, has met a wall of resistance from a unified opposition. The government has linked the expenses to implementing the Nari Shakti Bandhan Adhiniyam, 33% women reservation, but the opposition called it a political stunt to push through a controversial delimitation exercise. Viewers, as a constitutional amendment, the bill requires a special majority under Article 368. This means it must be approved by a majority of the total membership of each house, as well as by at least two-thirds of members present and voting. In the Lok Sabha, the current effective strength stands at around 540 members. If all MPs are present and vote, the bill would need the support of at least 360 members to pass. The ruling NDA currently has about 293 MPs, leaving it short by roughly 67 votes. The opposition bloc has around 234 MPs, enough to prevent the government from reaching the required two-thirds majority. Even a smaller grouping within the opposition could stall the bill too. The four largest opposition parties, Congress, Samajwadi Party, Trinamool Congress, and Davida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK, together account for a substantial chunk of seats. It would make it difficult for the government to push the legislation without cross-party backing. Uncertainty also surrounds the decisions of key allies such as the Telugu Desam Party TDP, which has 16 MPs and has expressed concern over the potential impact of delimitations on southern states. Rajya Sabha. In the Rajya Sabha, where the bill will be taken up after clearing the Lok Sabha, the ruling NDA is in a relatively stronger position but still short of the required two-thirds majority. Of a total strength of 244 members, the bill would require at least 163 votes if all members are present and voting. The NDA strength is around 141 to 142. The required number could come down if opposition members abstain or are absent during voting, since the two-thirds requirements applies only to those present at voting. The opposition at Wednesday meeting chaired by Congress President Mullikarjun Kharge agreed to oppose the bill because of its politically motivated link to delimitation. They said that using the 2011 census to redraw maps as a backdoor entry to redraw the electoral field before the 2029 election. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav have both termed this as a conspiracy. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced a state of white black flag protest against the proposed changes. He called the delimitations plan a backlaw and warned of serious consequences if the centre proceeds without addressing state concern. He also set fire to the bill. Behind this exclusive report.